This video is going to show you how to sort and filter data on tables. This is a very important skill to have for Excel because it allows you to get through large amounts of data pretty quickly. The first thing you want to do is go to your Data tab if you're not already there. Once you click that, your sort and filter buttons will be visible right here. There are lots of different ways to sort and filter through information. We'll go through a couple right now. First thing we're going to do is put our table in alphabetical order. So what I'm going to do first is select every cell in my table. When you click sort, Excel is going to recognize that you have table headers and give you those as options. So we're going to sort by name in this case, and then go A to Z. These other objects are going to move in relation to this row, this column rather, getting placed in alphabetical order. So we'll go ahead and undo that, because we're going to sort through something else. Maybe the boss wants to know who the high PT score in the unit is. We're going to sort just like we did last time. But in this case, we're going to go to the PT score tab. We're going to change the largest to smallest. And every other column adjusts in reference to this column. We see that Major Winters is an American hero with the highest PT score in the unit. So that's how you sort information in a table. The next thing you can do is filter that information. So once again, we select our table. We click this wine glass looking icon right here. And that creates drop-down menus. So the first thing we can do is look for who has a master's degree. I click on the master's degree field. I deselect no because I don't care about the no's in this case. I see that 2 of my people have those. I go back in, I can stempel this no to reset my table. Maybe I want to see who has their school done. So I unstemple no because I don't care about the no's in this case. I want to see who has it done. Looks like Sobel's the only guy who has his school done. And you'll see that when we go through and apply a filter, there's a little filter icon in that drop-down box. We'll go back and reset this because we want to look at more than one thing right now. Let's say we have an assignment that just dropped. Let's say that the requirements for this assignment are that you have to have a master's degree and you have to have more than 2 years time on station. First thing we'll do is we'll apply a filter to see who has a master's degree. So we'll go the no's out because I care about yeses. I have 2 people. It's pretty obvious who the winner is right now because I only have 2 fields left. But if this was a larger table, we'd go through and deselect everything less than 2 years to make sure we could see what's going on. And it looks like Sobel is going to Korea. Good for him. Something else you'll notice is since we have more than one filter active right now, we could go through and manually deselect those filters to get our table back. But the easiest way to just go back to where we were to start with is to click this filter button, and we're back to where we started from, so we can go through and try other things. And that's how you can sift through large amounts of information using the sort and filter button.